Believe in and adhere to and trust in and rely also in me. In my Father's house there are many dwelling places. If it were not so, I would have told you. For I am going away to prepare a place for you. And when I go and make ready a place for you, I will come back again and will take you to myself, that where I am, you may also be. And where I am going, you know the way. Though we admit, believe that the passage on to glory of our brother and colleague Bishop Bernard can be dealt with, taking no consideration the Revelation 14 verse 13, which reads, Then I heard further a voice from heaven saying, Write this, blessed are the dead, and from now on who die in the Lord. Yes, blessed, says the Spirit, that they may rest from their labors, for their works do follow them. Your departure from us, Brother Bernard, at this time is a loss to us all. You are a rare humankind that grace the earth filled with all manner of characters. You approached life full of energy and you brought life to every situation. No matter how difficult it seemed, you always referenced Jesus and advised rather encouragingly that there is light at the end of every tunnel. Your departure has left us a vacuum that will be very difficult, if not impossible to fill. But who are we to question God? We can only advise all and sundry that we need to love. We need to love and only advise. There is absolutely no need to have, inherit, or keep enemies, no matter the situation. We would love to have you grace our scenes and meetings with your humor and pieces of advice. But the Heavenly Father loves and needs you to play bigger and vital roles in the next world, to which you have taken the lead. Bishop Bernard, the referred being, Bishop Bernard Somnyakun, rest in the bosom of our Almighty Maker until we meet again. We say, Onimame Uncle. Thank you.
Pen number JR 7919. Please, you have brought somebody. The person wants to move.
Molino Porani. Post. Oh, what's your hard.
No. So we are so much German and no in fact, Saluko, what do you answer to the hand? What do you answer?
We max and one way, and I'm to make me max. Vivian Jones, yes, why
no, you can't talk about quite your copy. I saw her. Yes, or two can up one. Thank you so much. Oh, Bema, Sabe, I never be sure. Say, I never be sure. Oh, Bema, just a minute. I look plain and you won't want to look dancer here. What you have? Maybe show anymore. Camera win some more behind. Much at that time, a month for bar, no more ballad, more behind. A year, young poor, who I am a year now. Who be banned to watch at that time. And I don't know where I'm an ama winning out by over behind. There's a pony and 2 moves so. Vivian J. I summon an American said, I drink on fact, we move up any beer. What's some con alarm cruise I say about what? Say na kana for mutia mo say salim ko me no mo senior ti da na mo sesa me sesa dati o person na bubu ana na dey trace be ye wazi o ba wi ha say we no ye body no ba me ni me sama ba me besi mo ahoma chocolate ole no papa Sinali. Salim ko dia, miana meni dia. Besi maya dia na fa. Oh, brand. Onye ni pati. Si Salim. Salim onye ni pati dia. O say. Salim onye ni pati dia. Aya na mo ngasa na on na bono di oye na. Hey, ka chirenie. Jamawar. Gachenie. Senior, Nado Godi de Charlotte was saying. Charlotte was saying, for my is 1 winning million. 2, Korean easy, overall easy, international easy. Korean was a back camera. For your program with DH1. Na me masa quality position already. Come from one up na. Ono awaye easy pen wo wie wasa ba camera ni so ye program. Obeti bi so abanaka so meji. Honorable one. Charlotte na ko di easy. As a Ghana education wo fem ba. Obi ni ade edi fem no ana. What is that say? Obi stand no we dia.
Yo, I was just saying, I was saying, I tell you about the I was saying the number. And I was saying about Sana. Tribute to no Abba. Yeni Abema, the Asamoah, colleague, squad in England, so Edward, my dear, and Mamma Papa, my dear. They say I have 5 minutes, the man the 5 prepare.
Wo fa wa di se die ma ya eje. Enche aye kata emu no so. Enti wo fa wa di se die ma ya. Ye twa.
Nem para não. Okay, yeah, got it. Yeah, don't mind you. All right.